Want to level up your Blender workflow and unlock collaborative 3D creation like never before? Let's dive right into integrating Nvidia Omniverse with Blender, transforming your solo projects into group efforts with enhanced features. First, download and install both Blender and the Nvidia Omniverse launcher if you haven't already. This launcher acts as your portal to the Omniverse ecosystem. Open the Omniverse launcher, navigate to the Exchange tab. This is where you'll find the Blender connector. Click Install and follow the on-screen prompts to install the connector. After the installation is complete, open Blender. You should see a new Omniverse tab or panel within the interface. This is your gateway to connecting Blender to Omniverse. You might need to enable the plugin in Blender's preferences if it doesn't show up automatically. Now, you'll need to connect your Blender scene to Omniverse. In the Omniverse panel, you'll likely find options to connect, save, and sync your current Blender scene. Experiment with the live sync feature. Make a change in Blender, watch it update in Omniverse, and vice versa. This instant synchronization is one of the core benefits of integrating the two platforms. You can also publish your scene to Omniverse to share it and collaborate with others, and that is it. You have successfully integrated Blender with Omniverse.